constraint, sometimes you just can't skip a value. This ensures that a particular column always has a value. For example, in this employee, ID of the employee is very important and the name of the employee is also important. So in this case, when we are filling some forms, we will be seeing it, right. It's a must required email ID. You should fill your name. It's a required. It means you can't just skip that value. In that cases, you will use not null. Here you can see I have created a table employee and inserted values. Here I have given ID and the name of Bob and ID as 1, and here I have only given the name and ID of this employee was not given. So the table looks like this and the ID of the Aditya is null, but you want the ID of the Aditya and it should be filled because without the ID it's difficult to find the details of the employee. In that case, we use not null. Now I have dropped the table and I have created a table with not null. Here you can see I have set ID to not null and name to not null. In this I am inserting ID and the name. Now let's see. First of all, let me create this table and the table employee is created and insert. This row is inserted. Let's go here and refresh. Yeah, Bob and ID is 1. But here I'm not giving the ID. I'm just giving the name. But I set it to not null. So you're going to get an error. See. Employee ID is a must. Can't insert null into this employee ID. You have to give a value to that. So it will not accept this. In this case, what you have to do is you have to give the ID and as well as name as well here because I have set name to not null and the row is inserted. Let's refresh and see. You have the employee table with ID and name of the employees.